Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm going to show you how you can log into your Discord account on your device. If you are new to our channel, then first of all do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and also make sure that you turn on the bell notifications in order to get notified whenever we post a new content or video to our channel. And without any further ado, let us get started. Now first of all, what you want to do is make sure you have downloaded the Discord application on your device. If you have not yet downloaded the Discord application, then simply open your Play Store if you're on your Android, and if you're on your iOS or your iPhone, then simply open your App Store. Now depending on whichever app stores you have, depending on your device, on the top of the screen you can see the search box. Simply click on the search box and type in Discord. Once you type in Discord, you can see a list of several applications is going to come up. Simply click on the first option, which is Discord, Chat, Talk and Hangout. Now if you're on your Android device like me, then you will see a green install button like this one. Simply click on the green install button in order to download the application. And if you're on your iOS device or your iPhone, then you will see a cloud-like icon in order to download it. Simply click on the icon and verify it using an Apple ID password if it prompts you for a confirmation. Now once you have clicked on install and download, then wait for the application to be downloaded on your phone, and after the download process, wait for the installation process. And once the installation process is complete, you can see two options here, such as uninstall and open. Now if you want to delete the application, on the left hand side you can click on app uninstall, but we are not going to do that. So what we want to do is simply open the application. So one way to open the application is right from here, and the other way is to simply go back and open your home screen, and then here you can see the Discord application which you just downloaded. So what you want to do is simply click on Discord until it opens up a menu. Open the application, and at the bottom of the screen you can see two options, such as welcome to Discord and register and login. If you don't have an account on Discord, then simply click on the blue button which says register. Simply click on the blue button which says register and enter all of your details and credentials and sign up for a free Discord account. And if you already do have an account, then on the bottom of the screen you can see the option which is called login. Simply click on login and enter your email address in the top of the box first. Once you enter your email address, in the next box type in your password. And after you enter your email address and your password, on the right hand side, if you are not sure you have entered your password correctly, simply click on the eye icon to see whether you have entered your password correctly or not. Now after you have entered your email address and your password correctly, at the bottom you can see the blue button which says log in. What you want to do is simply click on the button which says login, and it will log into your Discord account. Now it is trying to verify with a captcha. What you want to do is simply click on verify. Simply complete the verification process first. Now once you click on login and verify the captcha, as you can see, it told me that a new login location was detected. So simply open your inbox and verify the login, and you will be successfully logged into your Discord application. So this is how you can log into your Discord account on your Android or your iOS device. We hope this video was really helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe, because we are going to bring you more awesome videos like this one on our channel. As always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in our next video.